running at the highest elevation and get a chance to win the brand new ASICS Nova Blast 6. At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Mayor and Vice Mayor of the lovely Manila. Please welcome Honorable Mayor Isko Yorme Moreno Domagoso and Vice Mayor G. Atienza. And now we are ready to begin. Enjoy the food, the drinks. Once again, welcome to the ASICS Robinsons Manila Grand Store opening. Not just the first ASICS store in the Robinsons Mall, but also officially the first ever ASICS store right here in the heart of Manila.
Kakarin ako na. Kusino.
Once again, welcome to the ASICS Robinsons Manila Grand Store opening. And now, please welcome your host, Mr. Andre Felix. Sarili sikap eh, no? Hello, good morning everybody! Good morning, good morning! Parang wala na, parang tulog pa yung mga tao dito sa Manila. Dapat gising, mataas ang energy. Good morning! I need louder than that. Lalo na pag ASICS and again, Grand Store opening here in Robinsons, Manila. Not just the first in a Robinsons Mall, but also the first in Manila. Good morning, Manila! Good morning! Lastly, mas malakas pa, good morning, Manila! Good morning, Manila! I'll take that. Good morning, everybody. I'm Andre Felix. I'm one of the brand ambassadors for ASICS. I've been with the brand for 6 years now, since the pandemic. So props to Sonic Group and ASICS. And thank you, palapakan natin mga sarili ngayong umaga dito po sa Robinsons, Manila. Maraming salamat to all our friends from the media, the press, all our celebrity friends, influencer friends, and of course our mayor, our lovely mayor, napakasipag na mayor and vice mayor. Every event na pinuntahan ko, sa City Hall man, sa Robinsons, Manila man, kahit saan man, nandun yung dalawang ito. Once again, formally, I want to congratulate Sonic Group and ASICS Philippines kasi po, as I said, paulit-ulit, this is the official grand opening of ASICS Robinsons Manila! Pwede mo palakpakan? And as I said, hindi lang po po yung unang ASICS store in Robinsons Manila, in a Robinsons Mall, pero ito po, yung kauna-unaha ASICS store in the heart of the beautiful city of Manila. Pwede na natin palakpakan. Very excited si Yorme. And we are very excited, Yorme, because we are making history. We are so glad to have everybody here. Ganda ng vibe. And also, meron tayong DJ Gubwabs. Thank you so much for being here. And also, the electrifying Taiko drum performance. Their group will be performing in just a bit. And also, just for today, as I said, we also have the ASICS Peak Endurance Challenge happening just for today. You have a chance to win a brand new ASICS Nova Blast 6. Who wants to win? Sino gusto manalo? Here na! Yorme and si Chika kasabay sa challenge. Top incline ang gagawin natin for today to test your limits. And we also want to thank all our friends from the media, the press, thank you so much for being here. And please don't forget to tag us at A6PH, at Sonak Group on social media. And before we cut our ribbon, officially open the store with Yorme, with Vice Mayor Chi, with Sir Kabir, with everybody, with Ma'am Rubina, Goku Wepe. Bago natin simulan, kausapin muna natin ating mga friends. Let's start with one of the more familiar faces in the industry. Ms. Chris Bernal, good morning to you. Good morning. Bati ka muna, Chris.
Hi everyone, good morning. Congratulations, A6.
Ma'am Chris, ano po ang gamit natin ngayong umaga? Siyempre ma'am, magalang tayo pag umaga. Ano po ang gamit natin ngayon? And what is the theme? Ang ganda ng iyong monochromatic look, Chris.
It's my favorite tennis shoes. I always get my shoes from A6, from running shoes to workout shoes, tennis shoes to higher up shoes. Everything is A6.
Yun, doon tayo magkakasundo. Thank you so much. Enjoy. And sasali ka ba mamaya sa Pick and Door?
Local classics.
Wala pa ba nun?
Wala pa eh, kaya paghirapan.
Mamaya, top incline. Chris Bernal, thank you so much. Lapitan natin si Ellie and si Kauri. Of course, Kauri, one of the congratulations kay Kauri. First marathon mo. Oh, EDSA, Manila Marathon. Kamusta naman yung experience, Kau?
Natapos ko yata yung buong 8 hours. Dun eh. Baka 7.5 naman.
Oh, what are you using right now? I see this is, ito yung bago. John Stratus. And kamusta naman yung feeling, Kauri?
Sobrang comfy ang stylish niya. I think bagay siya sa mga katulad-tulad na cool girly. Yeah.
Etong A6 Nova Blast 6, I'm sure meron ka na, pero kakasa ka ba sa challenge? Will you be joining the A6 Peak Endurance Challenge? Highest incline yon, and yung pinakamatagal.
Gusto ko yung try, I think. Pero yung kung manalo man ako, I wanna give it to someone else. Kasi meron na ako nun eh.
Thank you, Kauri. Kauri, Chris, thank you so much. Pinoy Fitness, Jeff Mo is also in the house. I also see meet Joe Black, Joe Vargas. Ang dami nandito. Mga ngayong umaga, mamaya kakusapin natin. Vico is also here. Si Jeff Lo, Pinoy Fitness. But right now, at this point, we will officially open. But before that, help me and join me in welcoming, palakpakan po natin, putting your hands together for the big boss, the CEO of Sonak Group. Always sharp, always energetic, always handsome, Mr. Kabir Huksani. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Andre. Good morning. On behalf of Sonak Group, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the grand opening of A6 Robinson, Manila. Today marks another exciting milestone for A6 in the Philippines as we officially open our first ever A6 store in the Robinsons Mall and our first ever A6 store in this beautiful city of Manila. With Robinsons Manila joining our retail network, we have now opened 17 A6 stores across the Philippines, reflecting our continued growth and commitment to bringing the brand closer to more Filipino consumers, athletes, runners, and communities. We are especially proud to establish our presence here at Robinsons Manila, one of the country's most established and iconic shopping destinations located in the heart of the beautiful city of Manila. More than simply expanding our retail footprint, every new A6 store represents an opportunity for us to create a stronger connection with our customers. A6's philosophy has always been rooted in sound mind and sound body, with the belief that movement has the power to uplift not only the body, but the mind. And through this new store, we hope to encourage even more Filipinos to experience the positive impact of movement in their everyday lives. Of course, this milestone would not have been possible without the people and partners behind it. I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the Honorable Iso Moreno, Chia Tienza, Romina Dokaway, and Tina Lim for welcoming A6 for their continued partnership and support. I would also like to recognize our Sonak teams, our business partners, athletes, beloved well-known personalities, running communities, media friends, and everyone who has worked behind the scenes to bring this store to life. And most importantly, to our customers. Thank you for our trust, for our support, and for your passion and loyalty to continue to inspire us to grow and create even better experiences for the Filipino market. Thank you so much.
Once again, give it up for Mr. Kabir Buksani, CEO of Sonic Group. Straight to the point. Wala nang daan-daan pa. Talagang diretso, straight to the point tayo. And at this point, before we go with our taiko drum performance, they will be performing in just a bit. Pero unahin na natin dahil alam naman natin, lalo na ngayon panahon ng bagyo. Maraming salamat. You still came here. At syempre, busy-busy ang ating mabuting mayor, vice mayor, dito po sa napaka-gandang lungsod ng Maynila. Unahin na natin ito for our official ribbon cutting ceremony. And may I invite our distinguished VIPs and executives to please step here at the back. Once I call your name, let's start with the Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno Domagoso. Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. And di Madam, nagpunta si Madam ngayong umaga. Madam Robina Gomong Waype, President and CEO of Robinson's Retail Holdings. Madam, Ninang, dito ka sa gitna. Ang lakas ni AC sa'yo, Madam. We also have Maria Cristina Real Lim. She's not here, but we also have, of course, kakabigay ng opening remarks, CEO of Sonic Group, Mr. Kabir Buksani. Last but definitely not the least, ever gorgeous, President of Sonic Sports Specialists Incorporated, Ms. AC Legarda. Hold on. Teka lang, sino magbibigay ng cue para sabay-sabay? Ayaw namin mag-viral. Kailangan maganda ang pag-ribbon cutting namin. Okay, on your cue, sir. On your cue, ha? Oh, we look first, okay.
Just for them.
Smile.
Mapapala sir, camera ko na.
Smile.
Out of 3, ha?
Look at the ribbon first and then you make
Okay. 1, 2, 3, cut! And now pose for the photo op, of course.
Everyone move to your left.
Once again, give it up to our distinguished guests and VIPs. Yorme Isko Moreno Domagoso, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, Ms. Robina Gomong Waype, Mr. Kabir Buksani, and Ms. AC Legarda. You may now proceed and enter the store. And now, while we're entering the store, give it up for the electrifying Taiko Drummers.
Asim na? Oh, yan. Pakita ko dito.
Ganda niyan.
Ano your name? Oh, Don Marisco Moreno. Marisco Moreno is the first customer at Robinson Store, Manila. A6 Nova Class 6. Ano, ako cashier? And while Marisco Moreno is purchasing Buena Mano, the first pair sold at the A6 Store Robinsons Manila, Nova Class 6, bagong bago. Tatanungin natin si Yorme kung tatakbo na siya ng marathon. Yorme, dahil may running shoes ka na ngayon, Nova Class 6, bagong bago, tatakbo ka ba ng marathon?
Tatakbuhin ng marathon ng K6 sa Maynila.
Yun! So tatakbo ka ulit.
Sasamahan natin sila.
Yun! Yorme, Isko Moreno.
China, oh.
It's okay. Cash lang. Diba cash? Nakabot ah.
You may also go around running tennis for men's, for women's.
Ay, sinuot niya na ba?
Bago toga ko.
Atienza. Maria Cristina Real Liz.
Okay sa akin. Mark!
Binanggit na kita. Di ba binanggit ko na kanina si ma'am? Di ba binanggit ko na siya kanina? Oo! Maria Cristina Real. Sabi niya, wala pa. Sabi ko, dakating. Sakto dumating. In-announce ko eh. Blessings.
Thank you.